Knowing the temperature of your lawn is a key component to your lawn care program, and knowing this temperature can really help you plan out what and when you should apply products to your lawn. Today I'm going to show you how to measure your lawn's temperature and what to do with that information once you've taken a reading. Knowing the temperature of your lawn is important throughout the year, but more specifically in spring it is most critical, and this is when the temperature gets to that right point. You want to apply pre-emergent, which is really going to set you up to have that nice green weed-free lawn. If you're considering taking on a spring seeding project, which I don't really recommend, or a fall seeding project, you're going to want to know when that soil gets to 60 degrees or is at a 60-degree point so that the seed can germinate. In spring you're going to be coming up to that 60 degree. So knowing your temperature for in the middle of the summer is really good. If your lawn gets above 80 degrees, you're going to want to pull back your fertilizer application and apply one that doesn't have a lot of nitrogen. Your lawn's already stressed out, so you don't want to stress it out anymore. Maybe consider cutting it a little bit taller as well. Knowing these critical temperatures is really going to help you up your lawn care game, knowing when to apply the products and maybe when not to apply the products, and the best overall temperature for that product to get the best result. You can get a thermometer like this one here. I just got this from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. I think it was about $9 or $10. You can also get a specific lawn thermometer or just steal a meat thermometer from the kitchen, but I don't recommend that. I got told off the last time I tried. What I've done is marked a couple of marks on this thermometer here, one 3-inch and one at 4-inch. That just means or allows me to make sure that I'm measuring at the same depth across my lawn. Now I'm going to make sure that I take multiple measurements across the lawn. We've got a varying sun and shade mix here. Shade on this side more so than this side. It gets a lot of sun over here, so this is actually starting to green up quite well already. This is a little bit further behind, so I'm expecting the temperature over here to be a couple of degrees cooler. So I'm going to take an average and then maybe bump it up a little bit just so that I can get the pre-emergent down early enough that I don't end up with a problem on this side of the lawn, because crabgrass will start to germinate as soon as you get that 50-55 degree point. You can start getting that germination, so I want to get it on before it's consistently at that temperature. If you want to verify that the temperatures you're getting are accurate, you can go to this greencast website and type in your address or state, and then this will pull up the averages over the last 5 or 10 years as well as the current temperatures. Turns out these figures are very accurate compared to the readings I'm getting on my lawn. So my temperatures are in the high 40s for average. I had a couple of spots that were about 52, 53, so I am going to want to get my pre-emergent down in the next couple of days. Now if your temperatures were a little bit higher, they were over 55, approaching 60, then you're going to want to get a post-emergent application too, so you can apply your pre-emergent and then have your post-application on hand, as those weeds will have already germinated. The pre-emergent only stops seeds from germinating. If they've already germinated, then the pre-emergent isn't going to help you out. Likewise, if you're planning on doing an overseed or just seeding a project, make sure you pick the right pre-emergent that you can apply at the same time. Most products cannot be applied at seeding as they will stop all seeds from germinating. Tenacity is a good product that you can use at seeding, so make sure you read the label and use the correct product for what you need. If you did like this video, I'm sure you'll like this video here. With that all being said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.